Hi guys, I'm Besa Kurbani and this channel is BQ Geomatic. In this video I am going to teach you how to create a profile of a path in Google Earth. This path can be road or any other route on natural ground. So if you are interested in this type of tutorials and you have not yet subscribed to this channel, be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified as soon as I post a video. In Google Earth, zoom in on the area you want and specify the path you want to draw the profile for. I choose the road between these two lakes. According to the previous videos that I had about Google Earth that I put the link in the description and also at the top of this video, by selecting Add Path from the toolbar and making a desired setting, I choose in here meter. I will draw my own path. Depending on how accurate you need, you can zoom in and draw carefully. When the drawing is complete, click OK. Right-click on the path you draw in the previous step. I can rename it. Right-click again and select Show Elevation Profile. As you can see, the elevation profile of the path was drawn, and by dragging the mouse on the profile, you can see the length, slope, and height of the desired location. Also in this section, you will see the minimum elevation, average elevation, and maximum elevation of the path. You can see the length, slope, and height of the desired location. You can see the maximum slope uphill and downhill as well as the average slope uphill and downhill. I hope this tutorial was useful for you as well. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and write your comment, questions and suggestions below this video.